Is everything okay? Do you not like the food?
Yeah, the food is fine.
Are you sure? I can make you something different.
Did you not hear what I said? I said the food is fine.
I'm sorry,
You just what? You used to look good. You used to dress up. Now look at you.
What is that supposed to mean?
You know what? I need space from you. I'll be back later. Man, do you ever wonder, why did I even get married? There's so many beautiful women in the world.
Yeah, but don't you love your wife?
I do. But I could have been with a real goddess. Like her.
What's wrong with the woman you've got?
She doesn't take care of herself anymore. She used to be so well put together. But now, it's like she doesn't even care. And she always has this frown on her face. Like, is she depressed? I don't even know. She's lost that spark in her eye. And things between us have gotten so stale. When we're having dinner, we barely even talk. So, I wish I had a goddess. Like one of these girls. You know?
What if I told you I could make your wish come true and give you the goddess that you're looking for? Do this. Instead of your wife cooking dinner tomorrow, take her out for dinner. Surprise her with a beautiful dress for her to wear. And don't forget the flowers.
Are you serious?
If you do that, a goddess will appear right in front of your eyes.
All right. I will let you know how it goes. Hey, honey.
Oh, hey.
I wanted to tell you that I'm sorry about what I said earlier. And I got you these.
Oh, wow. You haven't gotten me flowers since we started dating.
I know. And you don't have to cook dinner tonight. I made us reservations.
We're going out tonight?
And I got you this dress to wear tonight.
Oh my god. Baby. This is so exciting. What's gotten into you? Okay, I'm gonna go change.
Okay. Honey, come on. We're gonna be late.
Okay, close your eyes.
Okay. They're closed.
Okay, you can open your eyes now. So what do you think?
Whoa. Look at you. You look like a goddess.
Thank you, baby.
If we always spend time focusing on what we don't have, then we'll never appreciate what we do have. The happiness that we're looking for is usually right in front of our face, but we're too busy chasing it elsewhere that we don't even notice. Having the most amazing relationship on earth starts with treating our partner like they're the most amazing person on earth. So we should celebrate their achievements, recognize their efforts, appreciate their work, surprise them with gifts, compliment them, and bring them flowers. Just like flowers require water to keep them beautiful, People require love, honesty, respect, trust, passion, and energy to keep them beautiful too. Once we give that, then we just may find that the God or goddess we've been looking for has been right in front of us all along.